And it comes packaged like this, so if you don't want people to know what you're buying, it's too late.
Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Hey YouTube. Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing this air purifier by Shark. I wanted to give you guys a glimpse of what it looks like in the box on the floor, and also a little glimpse of my old air purifier, which is completely trash, but that's another video for another time. But I will link this down below just so you know not to buy it. And today we're going to be reviewing this bad boy right here. Okay, so this is a better view, and this is how it looks in the box. The box is pretty big. It's definitely big, but I don't feel like it's as big as this box. So before we open this, I just want to let you guys know this is the Shark 4 Fan Air, okay? This is the 4, not the 6. They also have a model that has 6 fans instead of 4. I did not get that model. I got this model on Prime Day for a really, really great deal. I was $169 for Prime Day, and currently it's like 200 and some change, so I definitely lucked out on that. And it covers up to 1,000 square feet. Okay, it removes odors, it removes dust, it removes allergen and pollen. And that's big for me because I have allergies. And without an air purifier, I learned that I'd be suffering really, really bad. So this is definitely the air purifier for me. It's just that me personally, I got this because I love Ninja. I love Shark. If you don't know, Ninja and Shark are the same company. Glad I could teach you something today if you didn't know that. But yes, and I rather go with a brand that's known, like a big brand like Shark, versus the air purifier that I showed you guys in the beginning, because that's not a known brand, and I just want to stay with what I know. So yeah, and it comes packaged like this, so if you don't want people to know what you're buying, it's too late. If you don't want people to know what you're buying, it comes packaged like this. Put this down. So we have the remote. There's no app. It just comes with a remote. Alright, so this is it. I got the black. It also comes in, I believe, white. I'm just gonna rip it. I'm not gonna lie, this is sexy. Woo! Chat. Hold on. Shark, why you do me like this? Shark, why y'all made it sexy like this? Like, is it saying to me, I'm sexy and I know it? Like, hold on, what? Like, what? Okay, this is the cord. Little protecting thingy there. Alright, I have to remove the filter before operating. I have to remove the package of the filter. So this is the filters package. I have to remove it. Another thing you should know about the filters is, alright, so I bought this on Amazon once again, right? I saw a comment that a lady said, oh, the filters are like $100 to replace. I saw that Shark, the brand Shark, sells it for $77 just for one. But if you buy a non-Shark brand filter, You could get it for like $35 to $40 for one. Then I saw a pack of 3 for like $69.99. It's so many options. Don't be afraid to buy this because of the filter. Like, just don't. If you want it, you should get it, and it definitely should be changed every 6 months. 6 to 12 months. But for me, it's going to be 6 months because I never really turn on my air purifiers. I'm not going to lie. Especially if there's no app. Okay, so now... Oh, let me show you guys, too. This is the... This is the 4 fans. Get it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's called the 4 fans? Yeah. So these are 4 fans that's supposed to be operating and making magic. Okay. This is the instructions. Y'all know me, I love me some pictures. Accent that you have a 3-inch minimum from the wall. Now let's see. You want to know if a product is good? If it came with batteries. If it came with batteries, it's a winner. If it didn't, a loser. Alright, let's see. And Shark wins. It came with batteries. Beautiful. So the remote has on, auto. What's the light? It has a light. I don't see a light. And it also has a top screen. Don't worry, I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna show you guys. But this is the span feed, and I assume this is the charge, and this is the timer. And it's not really much here on this remote, which I probably won't even be using it like that. It says clear air 96%. It tells me the percent for clean air 96%. So right here is where it says. Oh, not saying 93. Yep, it's going down. So right now it's saying it's 92% of clean air, and then up here, right here at the top, this is where the touchscreen is. So this is on off, the air info auto, and this is the filter's life. So I like the fact that it tells me how much life I have in the filter. It just went down to 90. Oh Lord. Anyway, and this is the brightness. So the brightness has like different settings. I'm gonna want it on the brightest because one thing I did like was my blue light. And then over here it has like the sticker instructions on like how to understand the settings. So this is good, fair, poor, you know. Then right here is just, it's not touchscreen, it's just a display, and it's quiet. It's really quiet, and it's sexy, y'all. Like, look how sexy this thing is. Like, you see how thin it is? Like, it goes with the aesthetics for my apartment. Like, I'm here for it, all the way here for it. Like, this is sexy, nice and thin and sexy. But yeah, guys, let me tell you something. I'm excited. I love Shark. I'm a Shark and Ninja girl. I think that this thing is gonna do me right because I have horrible allergies. Don't get me wrong, my old one was working also, but I just felt like I could get so much better for the money, and I feel like this is gonna fulfill what I've been looking for. And it comes with the little handy dandy, not notebook, remote with batteries inside. You can't beat that. Okay, let's see. Let's play with this. And that's the maximum. It's on the maximum fan right now. Let's put it on the lowest. And this is the lowest. Damn, you could barely hear this thing. What in the world? I wouldn't even think this is on. This is the lowest for the fan. So now if you want to set it for a certain amount of hours or whatever, but I'm not doing that. I'm not doing a timer. They have it on auto. You could control the light. What's time to clean. 0 minutes. And what's auto? Okay. Here she is. Isn't she lovely? I feel like she's so lovely. Like she's just it. Like this is it. This is she, and she's here, and she's here to help me and save me for this summer. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, please comment below and let me know. I love answering your questions. I will keep you guys updated on how she is treating me. Y'all already know. Listen, I'm not one of those influencers. If I don't like it, I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to tell you why I don't like it. And that's just on period. So anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to subscribe because you like me reviewing things like this, please subscribe. I have a whole bunch of videos on my channel. Feel free to scroll through. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.